He's tweeted out comments like "live free or die" and retweeted others who call lockdowns abuses to human rights. Controversial MD Matt Strauss is now acting medical officer in Haldimand-Norfolk.
Live free or die. How can I be a refugee in Florida and calling the Florida Governor DeSantis a hero? This is the guy you want running the local public health unit?
The Board of Health for both counties, which consists of Norfolk's mayor and councillors, announced yesterday that they all voted yes to Strauss. And the Ontario Liberals are demanding the province to reverse the decision. Strauss, a professor of medicine at Queen's University, believes lockdowns aren't effective at preventing COVID-related deaths and championed people who defy safety measures.
Lockdowns work, social distancing works. Masking works, vaccine works.
Norfolk Mayor Crystal Chop, who also sits as chair of the board, tells CHCH News that she stands behind the decision, and also the Liberals should read the legislation before they make uninformed comments. Chop did not say why the board chose Strauss, and political analyst Keith Leslie says the move is a head-scratcher during a pandemic.
Why on earth is this person being given a temporary appointment in the middle of a pandemic? If we need a public medical officer of health in Haldimand-Norfolk, why isn't it a permanent one?
Ontario's Health Minister Christine Elliott says the province did not have a say in the decision made by Haldimand-Norfolk. Elliott's office responded today saying the minister is only responsible for approving the appointment of full-time medical officers, not acting ones. And under no circumstances would we ever approve the appointment of a local officer who does not support the public health measures. After facing criticisms for being slow on a vaccine rollout and announcing vaccine certificates, Leslie is surprised by the Ford government's reaction.
And now we're seeing it again with this. Why hasn't the government moved quickly? Just put a stop to this. It's nonsense. And clearly, it's against the government's own policies. That's why it really doesn't make any sense.
The Ministry of Health says it hasn't received a request from Haldimand-Norfolk about hiring Strauss full-time and that they review all applications for the job. We also reached out to Dr. Strauss today for comment, and we have yet to hear back. Nicole.